there, my dear viewers. Welcome to our first lesson in animation making. The reason why I wanted to start with animation making is because it'll give us a light background about programming. If you are beginners, I'm sure you're gonna be awesome because the animation program we're gonna be using is PowToon. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to be needing to do is we're going to write the PowToon URL, which is powtoon.com. Of course, once you write that, you're going to have to sign in, but if you have an account, you're going to log in like what I did right now. To create your own PowerPoint or your own video or animated PowToon, you're going to click on blank to start from scratch, or you can use a template, or you can import your own PowerPoint presentation. Once we click on that, you have many choices to choose from. You have the capture, horizontal, square, or vertical. I don't know why it doesn't want to turn vertical. I prefer and I highly recommend using the horizontal, which gives you the full view of your stage. It's going to open a new tab and start loading the things that you're going to be needing. So here in this part, we're not going to be doing every single thing in the menu bar. Actually, I'm going to show you that, but after we go through this part. Here it says, hi, whatever your name is, let's choose a look for a portrait. Let's say you can make an animation, video, whiteboard, or a cartoon. I'm going to make an animation video. So I'm going to click on animation. Here, it opens an edit tab and a create tab. The create tab enables you guys to get, like for example here, as you can see, it enables you to use the menu bar while the edit tab doesn't. Here is the help center. You can use the tutorials, you can hire PowToonists, you can know PowToon tips or Pow tips, you can know keyboard shortcuts, or you can visit the help center. Here is the undo and redo buttons. Here you can give your PowToon a title. Here you can save your PowToon. You can invite a PowToonist or someone by a link or email using this icon. This is the icon of your account on PowToon. Here you can upgrade your free version. If you use the PowToon free version, you can upgrade it to the paid or the pro version or the premium version. PowToon. Here is the present slideshow. Here is the preview video, and this is the export button. So today we're going to be taking for example, we're gonna be knowing the scenes, the background, the text, the characters, and the props, and that's it. We're not gonna be taking anything more. Okay, so let's start by the scenes. The scenes are already made scenes. You don't have to use the full 10 seconds with adding everything on PowToon. No, you don't have to. You just can't add an already made scene in the library. So let's click. For example, I want to make a scene about holidays or events. Events. We're going to click on the holiday and events category here. It's going to upload you. It's going to show you loads of things or loads of scenes about holiday. Let's click on this one. This looks nice. Okay. We're gonna wait for it while it loads. Okay. So oh my god, what is going on? Yeah, it's okay. So the second thing is, let's say for example you used 5 seconds. Of course you can add seconds or you can reduce seconds. So once you used all your seconds here, you're going to click on blank slide to add another slide, and here you can add the transition between slides. Now let's go to the background The background, you can upload your own background, you can pick a background color, or you can choose a background from your recordings or the media. You can you can use premium images, video footage, free images, business and professions, holidays and celebrations, nature, also people, technology, animated abstract. They're actually really beautiful. I love them. Free videos, location, and that's it. So let's say, for example, I want to add a location. Okay, I'm going to scroll down to pick a location. Let's say, for example, this garden here. So I'm going to make a scenario that its setting is the garden and its timing is in the morning. As you can see, the sky is bright and yellow. Sorry, the sky is bright and blue. Now, let's go to the text category. Here in the text, you can add a title, you can add a subtitle, or a body text. You can also add design text, which is titles, for example, as you can see here. Okay, they're actually so beautiful. In my intro, you're gonna find I used loads of them, like for example, this one here, and also I've already used this one and also this. So there are tons to choose from. Of course, pick your own style. Don't copy others. That's the best thing about PowToon. It enables you to tons of different things to choose from. Here are the text elements, which are like you have here the thinking and the speech bubbles, also the in progress or the function. I don't know what they call it, labels, I guess. Here are the badges. You can find badges for, like, for example, the first, number one, live, love, laugh, yes, dream team, all that stuff here. You can find lots of badges, as I said. Now, I'm not going to add a title, or I'm not going to add a text now till I add characters that interact with each other. Now let's go to the characters category. In the characters category, you can create your own character, which I'm gonna upload a video really soon about it. You can choose a character that is already made in the character library. Like for example, this girl here. I'm gonna add her. There are lots of pauses for each character to choose from. Like for example, the convering, what's that? I don't know. The coughing, sneezing, typing, sitting, standing, all those lovely pauses. High five. There's also breaking and another break. Or you can make her have a selfie. And this is how you insert a character. So you can swap a character with another character. You can flip rotation style like that. You can make the character animation. Okay, so let's say for example you want your character to start from the very first second. So we're gonna add her to the number one here, second. And to add an animation, you're gonna right click, edit entry effect, and you can add her entry effect, whatever you want. As you can see, there are tons to choose from. I'm choosing the right. And there are also exit effect. As you can see here, you can choose an exit effect for her. Let's make the left side this time. Now, let's pick another character to interact with. Let's say, for example, this girl here. Now, let's flip her so that she can face her. Like that. Pretty nice. And let's have her just after. But this time I'm gonna make her to enter from this side of the screen, which is the left side. Sorry, the right side. So I'm gonna click on left, so it's gonna move like that. Okay. And here I'm gonna add an exit effect. I'm gonna right click, edit exit effect to right. So she's gonna go like that. Now, after we added our characters, I'm gonna add the text part this time. I'm gonna make speech bubbles. I'm gonna make speech bubbles. Okay, let's make the speech bubbles a bit tinier, and let's add text. Here the text, you can choose your own font. You can like fonts, like for example here, the trick, you can like it. As you can see, you find it in the like section or the favorite section. Let's choose the magazine. Okay, Also, you can choose the color. You can choose the color of your text. Let's make it blue. You can choose the text background, but I actually don't like to use text backgrounds. Here you can bold, italic, or underline text. So I'm going to make it bold. Also, you can make it opaque, the opacity of text, as you can see. Okay, and those are the main text settings that you guys have to know. Okay, so after you've added the everything you need to add, so let's say for example, let's make this girl at the left hand side say hello to her friend, which we're gonna call her Nancy. So hello, Nancy. Okay, we're gonna drag the text a bit up like that. We're gonna the text and the bubble are already cropped. If you want to know how to crop text, let's for example, they're like that. So we're gonna crop them together by moving them like that. So sorry, not cropped. Cropped, am I serious? Group. Group text. Hello Nancy. We're gonna make her say hello Nancy once they meet. Like that. So now let's make Nancy reply to Mia by saying, hi Mia, how are you? And the conversation will go on. So we're gonna add the text here. We're gonna write hello Mia. How are you? Let's not add you, the you. Get it? The you. How are you? Like that. Now let's make it this time quartz. I love the quartz handwriting. They're so beautiful. Let's make the color purple, as you can see here as well. And let's make it a bit little. And I'm gonna make it bold if it's not bold. Yeah, it's not bold, so I'm gonna make it bold because I love bold text. Like that. Whole thing bold. And let's make our speech bubble tinier. Like that. For everything to fit in nicely. Okay, so here in this part, I want the first text to start and end at 1 second. And then this one will start after by exactly a dash. From here, I don't know what they're really called, from dash to a dash. That's not a second at all, actually. So, now let's preview our video. So, here, as you can see, it's so easy. Hello, Nancy. Hello, Mia. How are you? And the conversation will go on. So, let's go to our last and final section, which is the prop section. The prop section enables you to add props, which are like stickers, exactly like stickers. Let's add, for example, an emoji sticker or an emoji prop. And while it's loading, I just have to think about what to do next. So here, I'm gonna click on this here for the friendship sticker. I'm gonna add it here. And I want its animation to be like, for example, a hand to draw it, and that will be really cool. Now let's add it here. So that was our last thing that we needed to learn today. And next session, we're gonna continue everything about it. We're gonna continue, like for example, the continuing of the tools. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my latest videos. Bye!